All right guys, Chris here with RackUp+Go, bringing you some exciting news about what we're going to be working on in 2025. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, behind me is our 2023 Mercedes Sprinter development vehicle. This has the 2-liter OM654 diesel engine, and we're going to be doing a lot of install projects on this over the course of 2025. We're going to be doing AC installs, secondary alternator install, full power system. We'll show you how to install that premium gasket. We'll show you how to cut the hole in your roof for your AC. We'll detail everything out for that secondary alternator, including the brackets you need, the bolts, the idler, the tensioner, the crank pulley, everything that you need to install that. We're going to be doing videos along the way so that you know exactly what you're getting into if you choose to do a secondary alternator. In addition to that secondary alternator, we're going to actually be putting in some technology so that when the state of charge of the battery system in the back gets to a certain critical point, the vehicle will be able to automatically start and with that secondary alternator, charge up the battery bank and then stop at predefined state of charge intervals. If you've ever seen the movie Mad Max with the kill switches to immobilize it, we're also going to be doing a little bit of that. So it's going to have kind of a sequence of switches, if you will, to immobilize it. So if you don't know the secret switch code, you won't be able to start the van. We're also going to be doing AC installs. We'll show you everything from the new 48-volt fresh jet. We'll do a lot of the other shore power units, doing some actual testing on how much power consumption they are, give you an estimate of their runtime. But for the most part, we're going to rely on our heat chamber test results that we're working on in order to give you kind of a apples to apples comparison. This test bed for this particular vehicle will be kind of a seat of the pants feel, whereas our laboratory tests in the heat chamber, that's going to be more of a apples to apples comparison from one AC unit to another AC unit. In order to control everything, we're going to be focusing on digital switching. So rather than having to wire in and run to a specific switch, we're going to have essentially a hub that is going to be able to control different devices from an app or from a touch screen inside the van. If you're interested in any of these and you want to learn more, drop us a comment down below. Also, if there's anything that we've not covered that you think we should cover that was going to be of value to you, drop a comment down below and we'll see if we can work it into our build. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe so you don't miss one of these awesome videos. And remember, life's an adventure. Rack up and go.